How to turn off notifications on PayPal. Are you guys facing issues to turn off notifications on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just scroll down. You can see the option for notification preference. Tap on it. After you click on it, now just toggle all the options. Once you turn it off, you won't get notifications from PayPal. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to turn off notifications on PayPal. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding PayPal application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.